We have been in business since 1977, family operation. Our interest in Food Alliance really was to be a part of something that we feel is probably more important than just looking at organic farming, but its sustainability.
We took on the challenge of meeting the certification for the Food Alliance. We do other third-party audits within our industries, and so you're always looking at an audit and the opportunity to show what your company has done in the past, but also look at continuous improvement. And so that's the way we jumped into the process, is to look at continuous improvement for Pacific Coast fruit.
After we really looked at what the certification process entailed, and although there are some definitely different items and areas that they looked at, the Food Alliance looks at for the certification, it really wasn't that much of more of a process from my perspective of what the beliefs and the ethics of Pacific Coast fruit were.
Actually stepping through the guideline that Food Alliance has, it has a little bit different bent. In all of the audits that I've sat through over the years, nobody's ever asked us about our employee practices, and we scored quite highly.
We're the link between farmers and restaurants that go to the people, and it becomes more important for the distributor itself to be involved in this because most people are unaware of us.
We've been a big supporter of the Oregon Food Bank over the years, set it out one of the top 5 donors in the state of Oregon to the Oregon Food Bank, and so that came through, and we scored well in that portion. Currently, we produce somewhere between 12 and 18,000 pounds a week of trimmings that come out of our value added from our cut fruit and cut vegetable. Those go to a cattle farmer over in the Vancouver area, and so even that's coming out of our waste stream. Now, our lighting is probably the single biggest project that'll pay dividends for the Food Alliance, but also we're looking for more and more growers that are Food Alliance certified, and there's a great list out on the internet, and so our buyers will fine-tune their purchasing practices.
We're always looking for new growers. I mean, the reality is that we need more local growers. I would love to find more and more people that were willing to do it.
How does the environment get treated? How are we treating our people who work for us? And I think that carries on from the restaurants we service, our business here, and then the places we buy the product from.
When it comes down to it, we're all in this together, and we should be, supporting the environment, the ecology, and definitely the different farms out there and the practices that are more responsible.